What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets United Airlines 737 MAX 8. Pretty plain and simple model. I really wasn't going to do a video on this, but I figured out why not. It's been out for a while. This is, I forget when this was released, but they released the other one, another one since with like the Being United or whatever special. But I finally just picked up this plain livery one, and you know what's funny? At the time of making this video, now NG Models has their MAX mold, and I'm sure we are going to see the United Airlines MAX 8 and 9 now coming out from them, which I haven't taken a good look at that mold like review yet or whatnot by Yesterday Airlines, but I'm going to do that soon, and I'm sure that, you know, they're better than GeminiJets in a lot of different ways, which is funny because, as I said, I just got this model quite a while after it was released. I found it, picked it up, and now, you know, there's a chance that NG is going to be releasing them, which that's fine. I'll just pick up more of those and just keep this one as a one-off sort of thing. But anyway, let's get right on into it. There's not a whole lot to go over this. The box, as always, what is it, 2021? I forget which month though. The details and whatnot. Look at this model. It's gonna be. I'm not gonna go too in depth with this, as there's plenty of reviews of this out there. I just happened to get this and I figured I'd make a video on it because why not? Why not? Here's the model. Looks good. Doesn't appear to be broken. Well, that's a shocker. Nah, just kidding. But alright, here we go. Alrighty. Here's the aircraft. Looks pretty good. I don't have any complaints right off the bat. Their max mold, GeminiJets max mold is not really that bad. Well, anyway, the nose shape is a little wonky, but that goes with all their 737 molds. Anyway, here we have the nose and the cockpit, the Star Alliance logo right there. I always forget what's that little saying right there. You know, it doesn't focus in that close for us to read it, and I surely can't read it when looking at it, but there's some fine print there that is all legible if you look close enough, which is really nice. Some good markings there on the nose gear door, and obviously the front nose is higher up, which is pretty accurate for the MAX. Kind of sits with a higher nose attitude. Anyway, there's the L1 door, some good markings and stuff around that, and good details. I think the shape, it just looks a little off, but anyway. United titles and the engines, the CFM LEAP 1B engines. Kind of rocket shipped, which, are we surprised? It's GeminiJets, they tend to just like to put their engines, they like to tilt them up and have them like rocket ship engines. I don't know, this plane I guess is skyrocketing out of wherever it's gonna be, just like their prices. Anyway, here's the splits, the new improved MAX splits. Don't look too bad, they're just not that sharp, they're just kind of clunky, but they're not bad. Moving along, we got the overwing exit doors and the markings on the wing, which look pretty good. Moving along, we got the antennas and the Wi-Fi dome on the top. Registration November 27251. There's the American flag. You have, I forgot what that little. Oh yeah, 7251 there at the back, and then you have the nice Continental Globe tail with the new Evo Blue paint. Looks really nice though. I love that, you know, the line on this and everything. It looks really good. Taking a look at the back, not too bad. Kind of tilted, but I think that's. I want to say it's normal, but I doubt it. Anyway, on this side you have the same stuff, you just have that baggage door at the back there, and at the front. So, yeah, the engines, they're alright. Taking a look underneath, nothing fancy. At the top, Nothing fancy. There's some good detail in the wings and whatnot, but taking a look head on, not too bad. Obviously, the Max engines do sit higher up and everything, and they are slightly tilted, but this one looks a little too tilted for my liking, but it is what it is. As I say, it's very funny that I picked this up right when I see that NG is going to release their Max mold, and I know Uniteds are going to come at some point, so whatever. You know, it's like, I could have waited, but I was like, oh, you know what, let me get it before it sells out, and this and that, and then, well, you know, there's always going to be another one. Not always, not with GeminiJets at least. Maybe with NG, but yeah, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. If you're enjoying the content, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.